Okay, are you clear? In the last class, I have discussed about axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Everyone, if you all are not clear, you can clear it out. So, are you all clear?
Ossification of bones.
Once more.
Ossification of bones comes under theory. And now we are having anatomy theory. Sorry, practical. Okay, so anyone is having any doubt? If no doubt, then we can start. Na?
Amen.
Okay. Mm. Okay, Dynasty Dev Burma. Please turn on your video. Dynasty Dev Burma, can you hear me? Dynasty Dev Burma, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so turn on your video. Okay. Okay, cranial bones. In the cranial bones, how many bones do we have? Cranial bones.
I forgot, ma'am.
Huh? You just see your notes and you say. Just see your notes and you tell me. How many? How many? I can't
Ma'am,
hear.
which
Huh?
bone? Which bone?
How many?
Which bones?
Cranial, cranial. Huh? How many? You see your notes and you say, no problem, it's okay. Or else you didn't note it down even. Did you start writing? Noting down
No,
your.
ma'am.
You didn't start even.
I just took some screenshots.
You just take a screenshot and you just see from there. Like this too, it can't be. During exam also you study from your mobile phone. Don't do like this, okay? You note it down. You note it down in your copies, then you study from there. Don't do like this easy method work. Don't do. We all are coming here and we are doing so much. What to say? We used to come every day. We used to take class and all. You all are sitting nicely and taking screenshots and studying. That is to don't do. Okay, you note down. You note it down. Okay, dynasty. Did you understand?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have eight number of cranial bones. Remember. Okay. Kajal, Kajal Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your video. Can you show me occipital bone? Occipital bone? Occipital? Where it is? Here, 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 where? Occipital bone.
Ma'am, back side.
That side. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
How many we have occipital bone?
Ma'am, one.
One. Okay, good. You can turn off your video. You can turn off your video. It's okay. Good. Okay, miracle. 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 Can you hear me? Miracle. Miracle. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Miracle. What happened? Your network is
Ma'am.
you're having network issues or okay, Thai hum. It's okay, Miracle. Your network is too bad. I can't hear you. Thai hum.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video, I said.
I did.
I can't see you. It's okay. Tell me vertebral column. Do you remember vertebral column?
Yes, ma'am.
How many we have vertebral column? How many? How many?
26.
Huh? 20?
26.
26. How many? 26.
26. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you remember the names? In the vertebral
Yes, ma'am.
column, in the vertebral column, it's divided into parts, no? Parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name those?
Cervical vertebra.
Cervical. The second,
Thoracic. Thoracic.
thoracic. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. You can turn off your, you can mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now, Rinkumoni. Rinkumoni. Rinkumoni, please unmute yourself. Rinkumoni, please unmute yourself. Rinkumoni Barman, please unmute yourself. What happened? My voice is not audible or what, Rinkumoni?
Ma'am, hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just now, your classmate, Miss Tayan, he said that we have 26 number of this one, cervical, the cervical vertebral column. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just now, one of your classmates he said that uh, vertebral column we have 26 in number, and it is divided into different parts. And he said two names. That is cervical vertebra and what was the other name? He said thoracic. Can you name the other parts of the vertebra? First is cervical, thoracic, then you can see your notes and you can say, no problem. You can see from your notes and say, it's okay. Rinkumani,
Yes, ma'am.
can you name them? The other parts? Hmm? Can you name the other parts? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes or no? Can you name them?
No, ma'am.
No. Did you note down the notes which I have given in your student portal? जो नोट्स मैंने दिया है ना स्टूडेंट पोर्टल में वो नोट डाउन किया है कि नहीं?
Hello.
हाँ, जो नोट्स मैंने स्टूडेंट पोर्टल में दिया है वो तुमने नोट डाउन किया है कि नहीं?
सब नहीं किया मैम।
लेकिन ये सब जो जो अभी बोल रही हूँ वो सब तो मैंने पहले पहले पे ऑलरेडी मतलब दे चुकी हूँ मैं। ठीक है, ये सब नोट डाउन नहीं किया क्या अभी तक? क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ बोन्स। हाँ,
ये नहीं मैम, नहीं
क्यों
किया
नहीं?
अभी तक।
क्यों नहीं किया? नोट डाउन करना चाहिए ना।
मैम
मोबाइल से मत पढ़ो, ठीक है? तुम लोग किताब में लिख के मतलब पढ़ाई करो। ऐसे मोबाइल में ऐसे होने से तो नहीं होगा। बाद में फोन हैंग करेगा, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना। नोट डाउन करना, ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम।
ओके, नेक्स्ट प्राज्वल, प्राज्वल कोइराला।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you name the other parts of this
Ma'am,
one? Can you name the other parts, vertebral column?
ma'am, vertebral column.
Yes, yes. Please name all the vertebral column.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Please name all the vertebral column, I said. Name.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am, cervical,
हाँ
thoracic,
hmm
lumbar,
hmm
sacrum,
hmm
coccyx,
okay. So total number of vertebral column how many?
26.
Okay, okay, good. You mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
You mute yourself, I said. Okay. Next, Nafishisha.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So name each part of the bone including the numbers starting from cervical. Means we are talking about vertebral column only. So you name those and including the numbers. Can you please turn on your
Uh,
video? You're not able.
I did, ma'am.
Okay. Can you name them? Name and numbers.
cervical we have 7,
Huh?
and then the thoracic we have 12,
Hmm.
and then the lumbar vertebra we have 5,
Hmm.
and the sacrum and the coccyx we have 1.
Total?
Then
Okay. Will you remember?
yes, ma'am.
Will you? Okay. Okay. Good. You turn off your video and mute yourself. Okay. Okay. Now appendicular skeleton. Append. Append. Can you hear me? Miracle, you mute yourself. It's okay. Your voice is not clear. Okay. Now, Sajarika. Sajarika. Okay. Can you tell me appendicular skeleton? I mean, what are the parts of appendicular skeleton? Means what is there in the appendicular skeleton? You can see your notes and say because it's just a revision class, okay? Just revision type. No problem.
Upper extremity,
Then
humerus,
what? Upper extremity, then
radius,
okay. In the upper extremity, radius
ulna,
and all are okay. Then after that,
carpals,
huh? Then
Ma'am, actually I didn't write properly, so I can't understand my own handwriting.
you didn't note it down? You also.
No, I wrote in rough copy, so I can't understand my own handwriting now.
Okay, I have already given these notes in your student portal. You note it down. Okay. And in this one, yeah, in practical you see anatomy practical. I have already given, and you do one thing means I have even pasted the pictures of those bones. Okay, so in your practical copy, for example, I'm just showing it to you. They are both sides, na? One,
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
this one, one plane and one rule is there, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this plain paper, na, you draw. For example, cranial bone. You'll be writing about cranial bone. So you do one thing. Here you draw the cranial bone and like you name them. I've already given the names also in your student portal. You name them, you label them, and here just next to this page, you write about the cranial bones. Okay, in that way you do for all. Understand? Even for your previous physiology class also, for vital signs, I've already given you. All those thermometer and all I've already given you. Did you start noting it down? I have given in group also. You can note it down, I was saying. Na?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
watch so you do in that way. Means, for example, thermometer, I have given glass thermometer. So thermometer and you write means here. Means drawing part you all do like in the blank page. Okay, and writing part you all do in the rule page.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I did get thermometer diagram.
Okay. Okay, I'm just saying I'm just making you understand generally. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Both for physiology and anatomy. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next Rupjyoti Bora, you can mute yourself. Sajarika. Okay, Rupjyoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the longest bone? Longest bone?
Femur.
Femur. Okay. So where is your femur? In upper extremity, lower extremity, or else it's in your rib cage? Where is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
This femur bone which you have said just now ना, ये femur bone जो तुमने अभी
Yes, ma'am.
बोला है, ये femur bone कहाँ पे है?
Yes, ma'am.
अपर एक्सट्रीमिटी पे है, लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी पे है, या रिब केज में है, या
Lower,
शोल्डर?
ma'am.
हाँ, लोअर कहाँ? लोअर
Yes, ma'am.
लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी
Lower, ma'am.
लोअर में है पता है, लेकिन वो वर्ड भी बोलना चाहिए ना, लोअर क्या?
Lower extremity.
हाँ ठीक है, समझ में आया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lower extremity. Okay, you should mention
Yes,
the
ma'am.
word also. Okay, you can mute
Okay, ma'am.
yourself. Okay, Subhash. Okay. Subhash, can you tell me, like in auditory ossicles, you know?
What name?
Auditory ossicles. Auditory ossicles.
Yes, ma'am.
In the auditory ossicles, can you name the three bones in the auditory ossicles?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name them? Okay, name them.
Muscles includes steps.
Can you repeat again?
Malfuse.
Malfuse,
M-L-L-E-S.
Mellus,
Melos and
huh? Incus,
infuse.
Incus,
Incos and
huh? And last one,
steps.
Stapes. Okay,
Yes.
okay. And you remember, I forgot to mention in the last class, you remember that stapes, S-T-A-P-E-S, stapes, na? They are the smallest bone in your body. Smallest bone is stapes and the longest bone is femur. Always remember, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Anya, can you please turn on your video and unmute yourself? Anya,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, can you please turn on your video? Anya, can you please turn on your video?
Yes, ma'am. I already did.
You already did. Actually, I'm not getting you.
I can see what.
Wait, I can't find you. Where is it? Actually, I wanted to ask you where is your temporal view? Means I need to see your face now.
Ma'am, I can see you.
Others, can you see Anya? Me too, I can't see. Jondeep, can you see Anya?
Wait.
You can
Ma'am.
see her.
No, ma'am.
Can't see na Anya. I think your network connection is not good. Even me too, I can't see you.
I can see you, ma'am.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, you just tell me how many temporal bones we have. Temporal bones.
One,
Uh-huh. temporal bones? Two, na? Okay. Even your voice is also like cracking. Means I can't hear properly. It's okay. No problem. Okay, ayang taku. Ayang taku. Ayang taku, can you hear me? Ayang taku, can you hear me? Mesmin, why did you enter so late?
मेरा नेट ना खराब है.
Huh? Okay, Ayang taku, can you hear me? Ayang taku, can you hear me or not?
Yes, ma'am. Very poor.
Okay, your network. Okay, it's okay. So can you tell me how many mandible we have? Mandible, mandible, huh? Mandible. Hey, your network is not good. It's okay. Okay. Um, Tulunga nursery. Tulunga nursery. Can you hear me? Tulunga nursery. Are you there or not, Tulunga? No response. Okay, Salmi. Salmi Dev Burma. Salmi Dev Burma. What happened? Your network is not good or you are avoiding? Okay, Sachi Pobia. Okay, can you hear me, Sachi? Can you hear me, Sachi? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know Patilla? Patilla?
Yes, ma'am.
It is also known as what? Patilla is also known as Sachi. Patilla is also known as
Kneecap.
kneecap or else knee joint. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. You can mute yourself. Okay, I think everyone. Do you want me to show you the slides again? Axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Please respond. Do you want me to show again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, before that, let me take your attendance again because some students are still like joining. Okay. First, let me show you appendicular skeleton. So this is your appendicular skeleton. First is your shoulder, this part. Okay. Next is your upper limbs, this part. Upper limbs. Pelvic is here in your pelvis. This is your lower limbs. Okay, or you can say upper lower extremity also, and upper limbs you can say is upper extremity also. Okay, I'm just showing it to you again. I think it's better should be the picture. Picture, I don't know. Okay. In the upper extremity, you'll get humerus. How many humerus? One, two, two. Okay. Next is radius. This part is a radius, which which is in your thumb side. Okay. This is a radius. Okay. So how many radius you have? One, two. Next is your ulna. This is in your means little finger side. This side. Okay. So how many do you have? One, two. Two number of bones you have. Yeah, means ulna. Two number of ulna you have. Next is your carpals, which is five in your fingers. Okay, this part is your carpals. This part. Okay, this part is your this one carpals. This part is your carpals. So how many carpals you will have? Here 8, here 8. Both sides 8. So total 16. 16 number of carpals you have. Okay. Next is your metacarpals. So metacarpals, how much you have in each and every side? Metacarpals are this part. Okay. This part. Understand? So 5 you have. 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Understand everyone? 5, 5. 5, 5 is why 10. Next is phalanges. This part. All this part. Okay, these are your phalanges. So how many you have? 14. Here 14, here 14. So 14, 14, 28. 28 number of phalanges you have. Okay. Next is your pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle, how many do you have? In a pelvic girdle, you have two hip bones. You can say hip bones or innominate bones. So you have two. One, two. So two. Next is your pectoral girdles. Okay, pectoral girdles. What are the two bones that you have? Clavicle and scapula. Your clavicle is in this part, or else you can say shoulder girdle also. Okay, this part. Okay, and your scapula is this side, this back side. Now both sides 1, 2. So 2. Okay, clavicle you have 2, both 1, 2. So 2 number of clavicle bones you have. Next is your lower extremity. Okay, in your lower extremity, what is this bone? Femur. So femur you have 2, 1, 2. So 2 number of bones you have in your femur. Next is tibia. This part. This is your tibia. So how many you have? Both 1, 1 each. So 2. So 2 number of bones you have in your tibia. Okay, next is fibula. This is your fibula 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So fibula you have 2. Next is patella, or else you can say knee joint, or else kneecap. Okay. So this is your patella. Next is tarsals. So tarsals, how many you have? 4. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, tarsals you have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 number of tarsals you have in each side. Okay. So 7 plus 7, 14. So 14 number of tarsal bones you have. This is just a revision class. That's why I'm just repeating. Okay. Next is your metatarsals. So metatarsals, how many you have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 number of metatarsals you have. Last is your phalanges. Phalanges you have 14 each. This side, this side, this side, and the other side 14, 14. So 14 plus 14 is equal to 28. So 28 number of phalanges you have. Okay, are you clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
About appendicular? Okay. This is showing like after 5 minutes the meeting will get over. So I will send you the link. Okay, for this one. For exoskeleton. For exoskeleton, I'll send you the link again in the group. For now, you leave the meeting. Okay. You can leave the meeting.